If you want to learn how to do this, or this, all on your Xbox One, then this is the video for you. Hey, what's up guys, Titan here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to get your keyboard and mouse to work on your Xbox One. Alright, so here's how to do it. So first you're going to want to go to your Microsoft Store, then you're going to want to search up Xbox Insider Hub. Not Xbox Insider Hub Beta, but Xbox Insider Hub. Then you're going to click on that. After this, here the description right here, I'm going to show you right here. It says, be among the first to test new Xbox features, games, and apps by installing the Xbox Insider, and then like etc, etc. Alright, anyways, that's not the important thing. You can read that if you want. What you want to do is install this, then click launch. After you click launch, you're going to want to press insider content, which is on the left. Then you're going to scroll all over to all the way to the right where it says Xbox One Update Preview. You're going to click on that. Now you're going to be here and you're going to have the option to join, press accept. After you do all of those things, it's going to be pending for a little bit. Now, you're going to press manage after it finishes pending, and you're going to make sure it's on Xbox One Update Preview Omega. If it is, then you're good to go and you can press done. After that, that's basically all you need to do for the setup process of this. That's actually a lie. That's not the only thing you need to do for the setup. The next thing you have to do is actually plug in your keyboard and mouse into your Xbox. There are some USB ports on the back of the Xbox that you can connect an adapter to, which could like give you a lot of USB ports. I have one right here. That's my mouse and keyboard that I plugged in. You can plug in some other stuff, maybe like a capture card or something if you want. So yeah, you could just basically plug those into there, or you could plug them directly into the Xbox. I know the Xbox One X has 2 USB 3.0 ports. I'm not sure about the other Xboxes, so you might need to purchase a adapter like I did, but yeah, that's basically it. After you plug those in, then you're good to go. Let's hop into some Fortnite. Alright guys, now that we're in Fortnite, let's look around, let's get inside our island. Now let's click start game so we can really show what this keyboard and mouse can do. Alright, so I'm going to just show you guys some basic builds, some basic edits. Yeah, I'm going to do that. Yeah, do some little editing here. Yeah, so I'm just going to show you guys that it is working well, and with enough practice, hopefully you guys can get really good on keyboard on Xbox, and then maybe even switch over to a PC later. Yeah, so I've been practicing a little bit. I've had this for about like a little less than a month now. I've gone okay on it, but I'm still playing controller mainly. I'm hopefully gonna get really good on it, and maybe I could switch over to keyboard, but that's not really one of my interests at the moment. Here's just some like builds to show you guys that it's working pretty well, and I definitely think you guys should give it a try before you purchase a PC or any of that kind of stuff. But yeah guys, if you made it this far in the video, make sure to slap that like button and also hit the subscribe button if you found it informational, because I'm definitely going to be posting more tutorials like this in the future. Just make sure to leave a comment down below with any video ideas or future tutorials that you want me to make a video on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be coming very, very soon. So yeah, I love you all. Peace out.